Well, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments today in the most important abortion case since Roe v. Wade was overturned.
The justices are weighing the future of the abortion pill, mifepristone. The plaintiffs argue the FDA never should have allowed the drug to be available. However, some legal observers say the justices seem skeptical of the challenge.
Eyewitness News reporter Lauren Glassberg is in the newsroom with much more in today's arguments. Lauren.
Liz and David, mifepristone has been available by prescription for nearly 25 years. Some know it as RU-486. And the case before the Supreme Court raises the question about whether the FDA ever should have approved it and whether the agency should have allowed it to become more available and accessible in recent years.
FDA, do your job!
There were demonstrations on both sides of this legal battle, but inside the Supreme Court, much of the questioning followed a similar course, probing whether there's a valid legal case.
This case seems like a prime example of turning what could be a small lawsuit into a nationwide legislative assembly on an FDA rule or any other federal government action.
The lawsuit against the FDA was initially filed by a group of anti-abortion doctors and organizations in 2022. It asserts the FDA shouldn't have approved mifepristone in 2000, saying the drug puts women at risk, and it removes safeguards when it allowed mifepristone to be used for pregnancies up to 10 weeks instead of 7, and allowed it to be prescribed through the mail.
Without question, the FDA's actions have made taking chemical abortion drugs less safe.
But the justices pushed back and asked for evidence of women injured by the drug.
You need a person. You need a person to be able to come in and meet the court's regular standing requirements.
Mifepristone is widely considered safe and effective.
They fail to show under any rational legal standard why they have standing to bring this suit.
And depending on how the court rules, this suit could have implications for other FDA-approved drugs.
On behalf of FDA, think that courts have no business making those judgments.
Now, ruling isn't expected by the Supreme Court until late June, and even then, mifepristone would remain illegal in states that have almost total bans on abortion. Those bans do not distinguish between abortions that are done surgically or by using a pill.